Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a on head quick weave today, but we're doing a curly flip over today. I am using 2 bundles of hair from Curlsqueen. I've already washed and dyed the hair black and let it air dry, so this is what the hair looks like. 2 bundles are supposed to be enough for a full head, so we're gonna see. This is the water loose curly hair, the 2C3A texture, and this is 18 inches. This might be my favorite base. I did like a little flat twist. It's giving bang. Okay, so this is one full bundle, and we're like more than halfway done. All right, so I didn't even want to use all of the hair because it is so full. So yeah, I left out not my normal amount of leave out because I didn't want the blend to be so difficult, and I'm not mad at this. When I flexi rod, it's gonna be a perfect blend. I did buy these flexi rods to use overnight. So I did trim the hair a little bit, and I also pulled out like 3 tracks. I just felt like the hair was like so big and it was just too big. So this is what we're looking like now. I don't think the cut is all the way even, but it'll do for now. I'm now gonna go in with my flexi rods. So I'm gonna go to sleep, put a bonnet on, and I shall see you guys in the morning. And this is how I slept. I just put my hair in this loose ponytail with a scrunchie, and then I just wrap the scarf around it. So let's see. probably should have used a little product, but okay. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm just gonna do a little something with these edges, which I probably should stop. It's probably why my edges is thin now, but I'm just gonna go in with a little hairspray. A little hairspray. And just mold that down. Just a little something. Alright, it's the finished look. How are we feeling about it? I love it. I love it, I love it. And you guys know I did cut a little bit, which I feel like I might have to cut a little more because I know I didn't cut the hair even, but yeah. This is the hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of Curlsqueen hair info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the hair that I'm wearing. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.